Alright, this is my video review for October 31st. Happy Halloween. And what a fucking bloodbath we had today. Um, really quite that was a 100 point move from top to bottom. Last night I was thinking about putting a short in and seeing what happened, but obviously that's just not my system. But just briefly, if we can hold the 70, if we can hold, if we can hold 5,700. If we hold 5,700, that's still good until we break, retest, until we break here, retest, and then continue. That's when this retest is when it starts to get concerning. Like, we broke the structure, retested, tanked. So until this happens, I'm not going to get super bearish, especially with the election coming up. But I have to read the chart and see what's going on. And this is clear bearish momentum. NQ as well. NQ is going to be down. Same thing plays out for NQ. So let's just walk through my day because I knew going into today this was a major possibility. And to be fair to myself, I capitalized and I had a great day. I made $1,700 across all my funded accounts and I made 120 bucks on the personal account. But there's always more to learn and take away from because when these days come, you can feel it, you can smell it. The VIX is up 15%. It's not necessarily the time to size in, but it's the time to allow the runners. Because you see, the market structure is holding. This is the initial balance low, pretty much. Yes, 730, initial balance low. So there's clear structures in place for us to trail stops to, run targets to, and yeah, just it's totally. These are the types of days that could be the outlier gains. Um, I don't really want to go over my trades too much because I basically just took low of day VWAP breaks, and took it for 10 points. That uh, I took this trade, I took this trade, and then I took this trade. So those were my trades. The trades themselves were pretty simple. It's more about my mental, um, and the rehearsing of this could be a major day where I want to have stronger emotional control. And like Evan said, once I'm up, I'm risking house money, and I'm there's only potential upside. So why not? Like this common theme with my trading recently is the fear of losing. And that's totally understandable on the personal capital because that's real money. But we have to also remember this is a game, and I stay consistent, but also need to play the game to get the payouts. And this is a type of day where capitalizing on that is huge. I mean, top to bottom on a quick move, 2 hours is 50 points. That's a lot of potential upside there. And also a lot of potential downsides. That's not why it's like, okay, just size up. Because that we know when we just size up on specific moves, that has major downside potential. And it's about letting it run. Because this is it's consistent with all of these types of days where I get very antsy with my profits and I end up pulling trades very quickly. And it's like you could see like this is not there's a clear side. When there's a really clear directional bias, that's when we want to be taking advantage of that. So overall had a really good day and um, feel the mental fatigue of the amount of decisions I made today.